But
The party's in my pants!
and everyone's invited.
Fire in your pants, or that it's so small that you can't see.
You want a pants party?
What?
Are you?
I want a dance
Rick,
party!
That totally derailed my train of thought.
What did? What did you just say,
My
Kim?
hand's numb now.
Kim, are you hitting on Steve?
Yep.
My what?
You hitting on Steve?
Yep.
He's
She is. Liar.
Hey, Gene. How's it
I'm
going?
going to go back.
Wait, why am I fist pumping you?
Because
Okay.
You're what again?
Where are you at?
Huh?
Oh, that's appropriate at all.
fist
I didn't say
pumping.
fisting, I said fist pumping, you asshole.
Where are you at? Oh my.
That'd just be weird. There's still a fire over there, guys.
No, there's not.
Yeah, I think I'm starting to see it now.
Thank you.
Gene, go get it.
Gene, why don't you go get your ass over there and get it?
I'll go get it.
I might not be able
Don't get lost.
What fire?
to. It'll be hard.
Gene sees a fire out there.
There was an amber burn.
I really don't see a fire.
Gene, don't die!
There's zombies out there.
Oh my God, they're gonna eat your brains!
It won't take long though.
No, they won't.
Land on me.
Go out there and scare him. Go out there and scare him. Go out there and get him. Your keys are making noises. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Gene, do a poop check.
Oh,
I didn't think it was gonna work.
I was just kind of watching. I was just like, what?